Hi, I'm Chelsea Faber, legal assistant at Flow Water Advocates. Our team is working hard and using all of the legal tools we have to fight against one of the greatest threats to our freshwater systems, pollution from industrial agriculture. A CAFO, or a concentrated animal feeding operation, is essentially a factory for livestock. Thousands, sometimes tens of thousands of animals are kept in crowded, confined conditions. These aren't your standard family farms, and they don't represent Michigan's cherished agricultural heritage. This is dairy and protein production at an industrial scale. Factory farms produce so much manure that in many rural counties, it amounts to many times more waste than the actual human population could ever generate. This waste is trucked out and sprayed across fields under the guise of fertilizer. But the volume often far exceeds what our soil or crops can absorb. What's left over makes its way into our groundwater and surface water, eventually leading into our drinking water sources and larger water bodies like our Great Lakes. This overload of nutrients from animal waste, like nitrogen and phosphorus, fuels unchecked algae in our rivers and lakes. These algal blooms reduce oxygen, create dead zones, and release toxins. The manure problem isn't just about nutrients. Bacteria like E. coli hitch a ride, threatening not just aquatic life, but our drinking water and our public health. People shouldn't have to worry about bringing home dangerous pathogens from the beach, a fishing trip, or what might invade their home's well water. Despite the scale of the problem, CAFOs face inadequate oversight. Similar waste discharges that would be illegal if done by non-agricultural industries are protected for factory farms. There are serious gaps and loopholes in the state's monitoring of these facilities and their waste discharges. To protect Michigan waters, factory farm sewage must be monitored, treated, and regulated like other industrial dischargers. We deserve clean lakes, safe drinking water, and a healthy environment. It's time for stronger protections, especially for rural families that depend on unmonitored, unregulated well water. When we think about protecting the Great Lakes, the image that comes to mind is probably not millions of cattle, pigs, and chickens in factory farms inland from your favorite beach, but it should be. That's why Flow is working tirelessly to hold factory farms and regulators accountable. We invite you to join us in demanding change and building healthier food systems for our land, our water, and our future.